Well, hello everybody. How we doing today? Here we go. My cutie pies are still holding on. I think I'm going to change them tomorrow though for you guys and put on one of Danelle's sets so that we can let it go and see how it does. Because somebody, which I don't remember who of course, but somebody had asked how they held up. So, that'd be fun. All right, so we are definitely doing a bit of a seasonal nod. Oh, I can show you guys my inspo picture. And my inspo picture is really the same as what I'm doing. Pretty close. I'm only making one small change. But they did this one in the fall, and I just thought it would be lovely for, a Christmas party or whatever you want to do. Oh, we're using Venetian Velvet. What's this one called? Trend Spotted. And then Coming Up Rose Gold. And then I'm going to use some decal and some Northern Lights. They used, I want to say New York Minute. But we are going to do some full nails, I believe. Yep, we are now because I just put it on. So I will tell you guys, I'm still super struggling to remember to not take out the supplies to do both hands. And I think that's just going to be the way it is. Oh, this color's beautiful. Is this retired? I think this is retired. You can tell me, but I think it is. And then Coming Up Rose Gold. Oh, good gravy. I mean, this is perfect for your holiday party, isn't it? I think so. Also, I don't have a holiday party, so you guys should. Would you please go party on my behalf? I am too lazy to holiday party, and I like my pajamas too much. Although, if you're having a holiday pajama party, invite me. I'll be there. In my jammies. Oh, that's beautiful. I mean, that's just so good. It doesn't need anything else. Okay. And then ring finger. We're spotting the trends. I believe this is gonna be maybe a little hair big, maybe not. No? Well, a little, but not much. And wait till we get to the end, you guys. These are going to be a little bit glammed up. I mean, because, gotta glam everything up, right? At least a little. I'm still torn on whether or not I like the silicone one better. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, man, these, I hate to jinx myself, but these solids have been going on like stinking butter. They've been going on like butter lately. As much as I hate to jinx myself and start getting a bunch of wrinkles, these are looking sexy. Ugh, I could have went over a bit there, but it's too late now. Okay, point a finger. How we doing, you guys? Have you went and entered in the 500 subscribers giveaway? 500 subscribers. And I have something planned out for Christmas night for 1 year. Oh my goodness, it's just a dang party around here lately. How can you guys handle all this excitement? I love this song. This is fun. These nips are hands down best nips. I love the ones that are like a little Swiss Army knife of sorts, but I keep them in my purse and they're my on-the-go nips. These are awesome. What are they called? Magic-y. I don't know if that's focusing for you. They come in a bunch of colors, but orange was the best for me anyway. All right, get this baby on there. Rosie's flopped out behind me. She can't take anymore. She's like, are we gonna have to do this every night, Mama? Yeah, every night, Rose. We've got some off and on gentle snow for the, I think kind of all week is what it sounded like. I don't know if any of it's gonna stay around, but I know that it's supposed to be cooler than it has been now. Oh, that's beautiful. So pretty. Okay, so here's what we're doing with the thumb. This is gonna be our fancy finger. Oh, we better trim the bottom. If I don't trim the bottom, this won't even come out right. So I'm trimming the bottom because I have very square nail beds and I want to fill in all the little gaps in the corners and such. I don't want to have that little rounded peak out because I know stylists are like, oh, it's no big deal, but it is a big deal to me, you guys. I hate it. It's one thing that has always kept me from doing full nails because I don't like having my cuticle, well, not my cuticle showing. I don't like the bottom. I don't like grow out. That's what it comes down to. I don't like any grow out. So once I figured out that I could do that, then we were in business. Okay, hang on. I got so much junk here. Did I say we're on day 9? My good Lord. This is buzzing by. What if I have more sets than days? What the crap? Beautiful. You're beautiful. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this one, and you guys know Feeling Pine, that's the green Christmas one that has like the dark green look of peeping out the bottom. Well, I won't trim this one, and let me show you why. So basically my thought was we would make this like Feeling Pine in that the red was peeking. The Venetian Velvet's peeking. Wow, trend spotted. Much more sheer than I had anticipated. It's okay, we're gonna doll it up. Okay, So now we've got Venetian velvet peeping out. Like, so we're making our own little side peek. Hey, did you guys see, people were asking Fa about colored overlays, and he said they were coming. Girl, you better be serious. So we're only waiting so long. I mean, girl, I ain't even waiting. I just ordered from Coco from Jennifer. I don't even care. Did I say what base we have on this, you guys? Aisle 21 peeling base coat. It's working lovely. Working lovely for me. Okay. I have so many presents to wrap. Okay. Does anybody else do this? The first present is like you have wrapped it for the gods. There's every bow. The edges are like the cleanest folds. Everything. The paper's cut so beautifully. And then the second package. Second package is like maybe not as clean of edges. And then the third package, you just switch over to using gift bags and so on. That's where I'm feeling. I'm trying to like pace myself so I make all of them look equally as beautiful instead of running out of speed for it. Don't worry, I'm not leaving that half a finger hanging out. That's what this girl's here for, because I knew that I didn't have a thumb, and I was like, I'm not going to open another one. I'll use one of these baby pinkies. And you always got to have a use for baby pinkies, right? That's where I am with wrapping presents. So I have a bunch sitting here. I need to get them wrapped. Although I will say I've been doing really well on putting stocking stuff into stockings as that comes my way. And I make stockings for everybody, you guys. It's my probably favorite thing. I make one for my mom and Dathan and Willow, and I always made one for my grandma, who absolutely loved it. She loved her stocking, and every year she would say, oh, I forgot you got me a stocking. Like, she's just like a little girl with it. She loved it. Okay, stop it. I am loving these. Okay, now here's what we're gonna do. I mean, we can stop here, right? Per always, you could stop right here, but why would you do that when you can take it one more step? So, let me get out a napkin so you guys can see these. See these cute little decals? Oh my lord, they're so cute. And these were on Amazon. I had ordered a pack of them to give my mom some for Christmas because she didn't know what decals were. Why doesn't she have decals? Girl, I don't know. You have Amazon. Let's see. I was telling Marie, nail friend Marie, about these, and she said I couldn't use the deer because my cheetahs would attack the deer. So I can't use the deer. I'm kind of thinking about using a wreath. The wreaths are really cute. Or maybe just a little... Come on, Stacy. You can be more creative than just a wreath. Okay, then. I will. But I think these are going to look fab on this color. And I'm correct. Okay, now what's the ruling when we use decals? We have to use top coat, you guys. Hang on, I gotta pick what I want to be in the middle there. Maybe a little acorn. They're really cute. These tweezers are not... Aw, dang it. I pulled the acorn's head off. Aw, bugger it. That was extra sad. Okay, let me get trusty blue. I gotta get in touch with my gal that made my blue for me and get some fresh ones because I'm so sad These tips have just been bent so many times, you guys, because I use them on things I should not use them on, really. And then let's put our little corn up there. And I think this matches it. And then I want this one like that. Yeah, I do. You're right. I do want it like that. I love it. Okay. All right. So you guys, you know my go-to silver Northern Lights. So I ordered a bottle of the gold Northern Lights, and even though it says gold hollow, it never felt as sparky to me. So when my old bottle of Northern Lights was getting empty, I just kept adding it to the gold. So now this is like my own mix. And it's, you know, you can, oh, don't tip this without the lid on, Stacy. You can see the difference. Very, very just silver and the gold silver mix. Okay, so I think it's going to be lovely on here. Yeah, it is. Oh, you guys, it's beautiful on there. Very good. Okay, and we're gonna put it on here because it's what we do. Put some more on here because coming up rose gold is just not enough. So like if your Northern Lights start to go empty, just get your new bottle and add in, and pretty soon you will have the world's most holorific bottle. And you could sell your secret recipe to Northern Lights. Okay. This is lovely, but I got some sparkle on my... That's not what I wanted. You guys, these orange sticks that are dipped in emery board are from Ulta. It's the only place I can find them, like, for a decent price for a pack type of deal. And, I just order them online because I don't have an Ulta near me. Like, an hour, you know, but that's not super near me. And almost always they're like buy one get one half price or something, so I just order a few at a time. Yeah, okay, I love this. I'll love it better when I can get my stuff filed down and looking good. Okay, here we go. Ooh, let me stand up so you guys can get a close-up. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so, oh wow, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So good. All right, tomorrow we say goodbye to these ones, okay? Have a good one, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. See you tomorrow.